Alright, so hello guys, welcome you all once again to this YouTube channel. So today I'm back with yet another super cool video with full of shortcut tricks to solve the conic section. You already know this chapter has a lot of significance. Okay, many questions have been asked from the previous year in JEE mains, in advanced, in Comet K, kcet, all other examination. Every year they'll be asking questions from conic section. So in this video I'll be teaching you a very simple trick and some tips I'll be giving you to solve the question when you get from conic section. Okay, now let us solve the first question from JEE mains 2020. See, if the coordinate of the 2 points A and B are something they have given √7 and minus √7, and P and any point on the conic section they have given some equation, then we have to find PA plus PB is equal to, you have to find PA plus PB. See, they have given the 2 points in the conic section, my √7 and minus √7. Now how to approach this? First, concentrate on this equation. First, write down the equation. How to write down? X square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. You all might be knowing all these things. How to write this, right? Now again, let's simplify more. X square by 4 square plus y square by 3 square is equal to 1. We got this equation. Now let's draw the graph. Okay, see here, we need 4 points, right? 1 2 3 4. Here also 1 2 3 and 4. Then here we have 3 points, 1 2 3 1 2 3. All right, now how to draw? From 4 I'm just taking this 4. Okay, now he's telling us a point P in the conic section. In this equation we have to find PA plus PB. Let us take this point as somewhat, you know what we need √7. See here 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 in minus, this in 4, this is in positive 4. Alright, now what is the value of √7? It will lie between somewhere 2 and 3. The value of √7 will be lying between something 2 and 3. Let it be point A. Now again here also the value of minus √7 will be lying between something minus 3 and minus 2, right? So this will be point B. Now let us take a point P anywhere on this. Let us take a point P. Now let me take point P here only. Why? Because if I draw like this, then just imagine this is √7. Okay, this is √7 and this is minus √7. Getting my point? Very simple. Now why I have taken the point here? Because we have to find our easiest way, right? Now why I took like this? Imagine this is point P, here we have point A, here we have point B. Easily we can calculate, right? If I would have taken the point P somewhere here or here, I would have faced little bit difficulty. So I have taken the point here so that we can calculate. Now what is the distance? P to A. See, the total distance is 4. Okay, total distance is 4. Now this distance is 4 minus how much? 4 minus √7. Am I right? 4 minus √7. Now what is the distance of PB? PB 4 plus √7. These all are basic things. You all might be knowing this. Now what we need? PA plus PB. PA plus PB. Am I right? Just add P. 4 minus √7 is PA plus 4 plus √7. √7 get cancelled. 4 plus 4 is 8. You got your answer. That's all. See, I'm just explaining you. Okay, I'm explaining you so that it consumes a lot of time. See, it took 3 minutes, but if you go on solving this in just 1 minute, less than 1 minute, you can solve. What is there in this? Just write the equation. Just by seeing only you can write the equation, draw the graph, and easily you can calculate. That's all. See, let's move on to the next question. See, this one as in Comet K. Now the Comet K is also very important. Okay, you have to get thorough with all the question, all the models, then only you can crack any examination, right? So see, they have given some line equation. The tangent is in hyperbola. We have hyperbola and they're asking us to calculate this point on tangent. We have a tangent here and it's a point of contact. See, point of contact we need, right? Point of contact we need. Now usually students, what they'll do, they'll write the formula for point of contact, they'll substitute the values, lot of stuff they'll do, right? Lot of stuff, heavy stuff, no need all those things. Just what we need, see, we have to check this straight line. The point has to be passing with this straight line. Am I right? Just verify. If you verify, easily we can get. Let us verify the option number 1. What do we have? Minus 6 and minus 2. Substitute here in this equation. Let's see. 21 into 6, right? 21 into 6 minus 126. Now plus how much is this? Minus 2. So 10 is not equal to 116. It's not equal to 116. So this is your wrong option. Now let us go to the second option. What it says? It says 6. Okay. Now here we'll be getting 126. Now again plus 10. Again if you add this 136, it's never equal to 116. Am I right? So this is also wrong option. Eliminate. Now let us come to the C, third option. What it says? what is the third option? 6 and minus 2. 6 and minus 2. Let us see this 6 and minus 2. Now 121 into 6, 126. Am I right? Now minus this will be 10. What is your answer? 116. Here you go. That's all. Just with option verification, we have marked the right answer. Right. Now let us move on to the next question. The equation of ellipse. So here we came to ellipse. Here we deal with hyperbola. Now here we have ellipse whose center is at the origin and the x-axis is a major axis which passes through the point something etc they have given us. Now what they have given, this the ellipse is passing, okay, the ellipse is passing from this points. What we have to do? Again, very simple, option verification. First take the first option. First put this options in the option given below. Check whether it will be equal to 32. If it's not, move on. If it's equal to, then tick the right option. That's all. Okay, now 5 3s are 15. Okay, 5 3s are no. Here we have to substitute, right? So 3 square is 9, 9 5s are 45 plus 3 is not equal to 32. This is the wrong option, right? This is the wrong option. Now let's go to the option B. Now here here we have to substitute. 3 square is 9, 9 3s are 27 plus 5 is equal to absolutely 32. Now let us verify this point also. Now 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12 plus 4 5s are 20, 32. See, we got the answer, but still for our convenience let us verify this also. See, now 3 square is 9, 9 5s are 45 minus 1 is never equal to 32. Rather it is 42, not 32. Am I right? So this cannot be your answer. This also cannot be your answer. Now let us verify. See, now 3 square is 9, 9 3s are 27 plus 5 okay, now plus 32. Now this is also never equal to 32. Am I right? So this is also wrong option. Therefore option B is your right answer. That's all. Now usually students, what they'll do, they'll write the formula, substitute, ellipse formula, equation, writing equation, lot of stuff. No need all those things, right? Okay, now let us move on to the last problem. See here. Now this problem, usually students, what they'll do, if they don't know the method to solve the problem, they'll just leave it. Instead of leaving it, let us make a proper guess. See, if we guess, okay, in comment we don't have any negative marks, okay. If we guess, then we will be having 1/4 probability. But if we try to calculate, at least if we get 1/2's probability, then our answer might get right. Therefore let us get 1/2's probability. What I am trying to say, you will understand. Now what they have given, equation of the chord, something we have circle and a chord is passing. Now we have to find this equation, something chord. This chord is bisected at 0.1, something they have given. Now just what we can do, option verification. Again let us take option A, y minus 1 is equal to x, right? Okay, now substitute. This will be 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, so this could be the answer. Next let us see the C option. Here in C we have 1 plus 1 is not equal to 0. Am I right? 1 plus 1 is not equal to 0. Now let's see the option number B. Option number B, 1 plus 1 is equal to not equal to 0. It's equal to 2, right? So it's not equal to 0. Now let's see the last option. Here again we have 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have two options. Option A or option D might be your right answer. See, if you don't know the answer, if you don't know how to approach this problem, at least we can guess among these two, right? Any of the two options we can guess. But if we don't know any other method, and if we just randomly try to click the answer, okay, randomly try to click the answer, then our probability will be 1/4. But now as we have solved, our probability have decreased to 1/2. So our probability that the answer get right is increased. Therefore any among the two, A and D, could be your answer. That's all. Very simple, right? So thank you. Thanks a lot.